I am Sure Sports here with Ricardo Smith, the winning coach of this derby game, Mount Pleasant versus Dunbeholden. Sum up your team performance for us.
Trust me, it was a hard-fought game, not the regular dominant game where it's pretty football like we usually play. It was just a tussle, and we won the tussle.
So what do you think about the controversial call that was made in the game?
It's the lines and the linesman and the referee. That's their decision. I would have to see about the replay too. But we got the goals. We're thankful.
Do you think that VAR should come in the Premier League?
Yeah, it will be a good gesture. To clear up a few things. Over the years, you see a lot of controversial calls that people question them. But if it comes in, it will be good for everybody.
What do you think about your talisman? Just come from foreign the other day. Peter McGregor really put in a good shift for Dunbeholden so far. A goal a game based on his conversion rate. What do you think about his performance so far in the competition?
That's Peter. So always gonna work, always gonna score. Peter doesn't like to see defenders with ball comfortable at them. So he's gonna hustle the defenders, he's gonna tackle, he's gonna get back into the mid pitch, and then he's gonna join the other striker in the attack. So that's what you're really seeing from him, and we're really, really glad and thankful for what he's doing.
Oh, so for the end of the season, where will you see Mount Pleasant? Not Mount Pleasant, sorry, Dunbeholden.
Dunbeholden. We are in it to win it. We are in it to win it. That's where I'm picturing us at the moment.
Thank you very much, coach, and continue to do the good work, and I hope you can in it to win it.
All right.